Hi, this is Hema and welcome to Hema's Walnut. Let's see how to make gulab jamuns. First, let's make the sugar syrup which is going to be 1/3 consistency. Here I have taken 5 glasses of water to which I am going to add some cardamoms and add 2.5 cups of sugar, and then I am going to melt the sugar and cook it until it forms a 1/3 consistency. While you are making the sugar syrup, the flame should be on a low flame for about 10 minutes and you should be continuously stirring it. As the syrup is getting made, the impurities start flowing, so just you need to remove these impurities from the syrup. They just start floating on the top, absolutely on the top, so it is easy to remove them. Now after 10 minutes that we have been boiling the syrup, let's reduce the flame a little more and we need to boil this for 5 minutes. Now once I have shut the flame for the syrup, I am going to add a pinch of color powder, or less you can add a few strands of saffron. Adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. It is an optional. Just mix this and let it be soaked for the gulab jamuns. And now in a pan I have taken 1 cup of rava. Let it dry roast for 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame until it turns aromatic. Mix it well and keep aside to cool completely. Now take the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and then add 2 cups of milk. If you want to add cardamom powder, you can add. I have already added it in sugar syrup. Now I have to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix the milk for 1 minute. And then add the roasted rava. Mix well, stir continuously. No lump should be formed until it forms smooth consistency and holds shape. Cool down slightly. Knead for 5 minutes to make smooth and soft and shape it into ball form like this and keep aside. Now let's deep fry these all balls into a golden brown. Now rest the gulab jamun in sugar syrup for 2 hours. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel.